Cùng tôi học môn điện tử với tiếng Mỹ. Part explanation for 555 timer. Timer IC 555. This is the IC which is often used as the IC for the timer. The wide range time value can be gotten by the capacitor and the resistor outside. Resistor. As the resistor, I am using the type that the emission electric power is at the watt more than H watt. Resistor can be used to electronic capacitor. This is the capacitor to decide a time value. At the circuit this time, a 100 microfarad electronic capacitor is used to make a time value in a maximum of about 2 minutes. IC socket. The IC can be put to direct to the printed board. 2. This time, a socket is used. Variable resistor. This is a small variable resistor to adjust a timer value. At the circuit this time, it's possible to set time from about 10 seconds to 120 seconds with this resistor. Button switch. This is the start switch of the timer. This is a non-Loctite switch and the point of contact closes only when pushing a switch. Transistor for the relay driver. The 555 time IC can pass an output current in a maximum of 200 milliamps. So even if drive a relay directly with 555 IC, there is no problem. I use a transistor for the relay driver to reduce the loss of 555 IC. I had the experience of the abnormal operation when driving a relay directly by the IC. It's not 555. Since then, when driving a relay, I am use a transistor. Even if you don't use a transistor, there is no problem. In the case a relay is put between output of 555 IC and grounding. Output relay. This relay operates in operation of the time and can control a circuit outside. This is the small relay which is made by the Omron company. Overvolt protection diode 1S1588. This is the diode to protect a transistor from the reverse voltage which occurs. when cutting the dry electric current of the relay. The high voltage which applies over the transistor is prevented by plotting the electric current which oscillates in the reverse volt to the diode. Light emitting diode. Its light job in operating of the time and the time operation can be confused. Printed board. I cut an universal printed board according to the spec of the circuit. Stud. I use studs at the left of the printed board. The plastic spares can be used too. Is to prevent printed board wiring side touching the metal which were put below. Wiring terminal. This is the terminal to connect a power line and an output line. It's possible to wire directly to the printed board without this terminal. See you next lesson. Người biên tập Vương Khánh Hưng. Quý sĩ chào bạn. Hẹn gặp lại.